In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Fidelity HSA. Before we start, make sure you're actually eligible to contribute to a health savings account. Under IRS rules, you need to be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, not enrolled in Medicare, not covered by another non-HDHP plan, and not claimed as someone else's dependent. Fidelity follows these rules for HSA contributions, so it's important to confirm your status first. If you're unsure, check with your health plan or HR team before moving forward. When you're ready, head to Fidelity's HSA page at https://www.fidelity.com/go/HSA. On that page, click Open an HSA to begin. You'll be brought to the account selection flow. Choose Health Savings Account, or HSA, as your account type and select Open Account. Fidelity does not require a minimum deposit to open, which makes it simple to get started even if you plan to fund it later. Next, you'll fill in your personal details. Expect to provide your name, address, social security number, and employment information. You'll also add beneficiaries, which determines who receives the account if something happens to you. This information is used for identity verification and tax reporting, so enter everything carefully and make sure it matches your official records. You'll then choose how you want to invest the money inside your HSA. Fidelity typically offers a self-managed option where you pick your own stocks, ETFs, or funds, and a Fidelity-managed option where the portfolio is automated for you. If you prefer control and are comfortable researching investments, self-managed can work well. If you want a hands-off approach, the managed route may be a better fit. You can usually change your approach later as your needs evolve. It's time to fund the account. You can move money in with a bank transfer, set up payroll direct deposit if your employer supports it, transfer an existing HSA from another provider, or even mail a check. If you're transferring from another HSA, use a trustee-to-trustee transfer to keep it tax-advantaged and avoid potential penalties. Before you wrap up, review every detail, read and agree to the terms, and click Open Account. Your HSA should now be active. A few important reminders as you move forward. You can only make new contributions while you're covered by an eligible HDHP, but you can keep and use the account even if you later switch plans. And remember, contributions are subject to IRS annual limits, so check the current year's cap before you fund. That's it. You've opened your Fidelity HSA.